Some people walk into a room, and nobody notices. Others walk in, and the entire room goes quiet. No announcement, no loud voice, no effort. Yet somehow, all eyes turn. Conversations slow down. Energy shifts. People sit a little straighter. It's subtle, but everyone feels it. And here's the strange part. They didn't say a single word. That's presence. And presence is power. Most people try to control a room by talking more. They laugh louder, speak faster, tell stories, crack jokes. They're performing, begging for attention, for validation, for approval. But attention chased is never respect earned. The harder you try to be noticed, the less people value you. Because effort smells like insecurity. Real dominance doesn't chase the room. The room adjusts to it. Watch high-status individuals carefully. Leaders, fighters, quiet executives. Don't enter with noise. They enter slowly, calmly. Minimal movement. No rush. No extra gestures. They don't scan the room nervously. They don't over-smile. They don't try to fill the silence. They simply stand there, grounded, still, comfortable in their own skin. And that stillness makes people uncomfortable, because stillness signals confidence. Nervous people fidget. Strong people don't need to. Humans read body language faster than words. Before you even speak, people have already judged your value, your posture, your pace, your eye contact, your breathing. It all sends signals. Fast movements say anxiety. Loud voices say trying too hard. Too many words say low status. But slow movements, calm eyes, relaxed silence, those signal control. And control commands respect automatically. Think about predators in the wild. They don't run around making noise. They move slowly, carefully, economically, every step deliberate. That calm energy is what makes other animals alert. Because true danger doesn't scream, it watches. The same rule applies to humans. The loud guy might get attention, but the quiet, composed one gets respect. And respect is what actually controls the room. Here's what most people don't understand. The first person who reacts loses. If you walk in and instantly start talking, laughing, explaining, you're reacting to the environment. You're adapting to the room. That means the room controls you. But if you walk in calmly and say nothing, now they adapt to you. They wonder who you are. They watch your movements. They lower their voices. They become careful. Without realizing it, they've handed you the frame. And whoever controls the frame controls everything. There's a psychological law at play. Humans pay more attention to what they can't read. If you're loud and expressive, you're predictable, easy to categorize, easy to ignore. But if you're quiet and unreadable, people get curious. Curiosity turns into focus. Focus turns into respect. Respect turns into authority. And you didn't even try. Try this experiment. Next time you enter a room, don't rush. Don't talk immediately. Don't smile too much. Walk slower than everyone else. Stand still for a second. Observe. Make calm eye contact. Say less than necessary. You'll notice something strange. People start looking at you first, waiting for your reaction, waiting for your words. You become the reference point. That's silent dominance. It's not about intimidation. It's not about acting tough. It's about being so comfortable with yourself that you don't need anything from the room. No approval, no attention, no validation. And when you need nothing, nobody can control you. Neediness is what makes people loud. Neediness is what makes people overtalk. Neediness is what makes people try too hard. Remove the need, and you remove the weakness. What's left is presence. Cold, calm, unshakable presence. And presence is rare. That's why it stands out. Most people can't handle silence. They rush to fill it. But the one who owns the silence owns the space. So stop trying to impress rooms. Stop performing. Stop over-explaining your existence. You don't need to dominate with words. You dominate with energy. Slow down your movements. Speak less. Hold eye contact. Relax your body. Breathe slower. Let others talk first. Let others react first. You just observe, and you'll see it happen. One by one, all eyes turn. Because the strongest person in the room is rarely the loudest. It's the calmest, the most grounded, the one who looks like he could leave at any moment and be perfectly fine. That quiet independence is magnetic, and magnetism beats noise every time. You don't control the room by speaking. You control the room by not needing to. Stay sharp.